Welcome to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. Recently I started a new lecture series on data interpretation and we will trying to solve the previous year NET and SET question paper. In last class we solved June 2006 UGC NET data interpretation part. Today I will solve the December 2006 UGC NET data interpretation question. So without any time waste, let's start our class. So the first question of December 2006 UGC NET data interpretation part, that is, in the year 2000 which of the company earns maximum percent profit, and this is the data interpretation, and this is the new form of data interpretation, that is the line chart. In our previous lecture we talk about bar diagram, pie chart, but in today's class we talk about one new method of data interpretation, that is the line chart. So this is the line graph. This line is drawn by connecting the 2 points, and so this is called a line chart or line graph. In this graph, in the x-axis the company are plotted, and in the y-axis percent profit earned are plotted. Okay, so the type of company is A, B, C, D, E and F, and the percent profit earned 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70, and this is the name of the year 2000 and 2001. So how we understand this line chart? For a company, this line is for 2000. Okay, and this dark green color line is for 2001. This light green color line is for 2000. So in 2000 a company earned higher than 40 but below than 50. So this is the middle of the 40 and 50. So we can easily consider that A can profit 45 in 2000. Okay. Next, company B in 2000, how much profit earned? 50, because this graph is touch the 50 point. Okay. C company in 2000, how much profit earned? 40, because this line is touch 40 line. Okay, and then D company is earned more than 50 but less than 60. That means we can consider it as 55, right? So D company earned profit in 2000, that is 55. Then E company is profit 45, because it is less than 50 but greater than 40. So we can consider that is this value is 45, and F company is earned in 2000, that is 60. So in this way we can consider the line chart. Which point is to be touched the line graph? We have to consider. That means A graph is touch the 40 points. A graph is touch the 45. So A company is earned 45 in 2000. B company earned 50, C company earned 40, D company earned 55, E company earned 45 and F company earned 60 in the year 2000. So this line chart or the line graph we have to draw if we connect those points. Okay. So this is the one of the part of the graph. The another part of the graph, that is in 2001, A company is earned 40. When we consider the dark green line, the A company earned 40, B company earned 60, C company earned more than 40, less than 50, that means we can consider it as 45, D company earned 50, E company earned more than 60, less than 6, more than 50, less than 60, we can consider 55, and F company earned greater than 60, less than 70, that means we can consider 65 it as. Okay. So in 2001, the A company earned 40, B company earned 60, C company earned 45, D company earned 50, E company earned 55 and F company earned 65. So if we connect those points, we get those lines, and this is the line number 2, that is 2001. This is the percent profit earned graph. So in this way we get the two line graph. One is for 2000 and another is one for 2001. So now the question is, in the year 2000, which of the company earns maximum percent profit? 2000, in the year 2000, which company earns maximum percent profit? And the options are, option A is A, option B is B, option C is D, and option D is F. So if we consider 2000 line chart, so we can saw that A company profit 45, B company profit 50, D company profit 55 and F company profit 60. So which company earns maximum percent profit? F company, because it is 60. So in the year 2000, the maximum earns which company? That is F company. So the right option is D. Okay. So coming to the next question. So coming to the next question, that is, in the year 2001, which of the company earns minimum percent profit? And here is the line graph. We know how the line graph has to be measured. In 2000, the A company profit 45, A company profit 45, B company profit 50, C company 40, D company profit 55, E company profit 45 and F company profit 60. And in 2001, A company profit 40, B company profit 60, C company profit 45, D company profit 50, E company profit 55 and F company earned his profit 65. So in this way we can easily point out the profit number in the year 2000 and 2001. So the question is, in the year 2001, which of the company earns minimum percent profit? Option is A, option A, option B, C, option C, D, and option D is E. So in 2001, the minimum profit. When we consider 2001, we consider the deep green line. So in 2001, A company profit is 40, C company profit is 45, D company profit is 50, and E company profit is 55. So the A company profit is minimum because it is 40. So in the year 2001, which of the company earns minimum percent profit? That is A company. So the right option is A. Okay. So coming to the next question. Question is, in the year 2000 and 2001, which of the companies earned maximum average percent profit? Here is the line graph and these are the options. F, option A, option B E, option C D, option D B. So in the year 2000 and 2001, which of the companies earned maximum average percent profit? We know the average, how we calculate the average, and then we have to calculate the percent profit. Okay. So for F graph, for F company, in the year 2000 and 2001, the F company has earned 60 and 65. So if we add 60 plus 65, then this is divided by 2 because we have to add two numbers. So we have to divide it, this addition, by 2. Okay. So 60 F company earned in 2000, that is 60, and in 2001 it is 65. So how we calculate the average percent profit? 60 plus 65 divided by 2, that is 125 divided by 2, and the percentage profit, how we calculate? Into 100%. So we get 62.5%. Okay. Next option is E. E company earns in 2000, it earns 45, and in 2001 it earns 55. So we have to calculate 45 plus 55 divided by 2, and we get the percentage profit, average percent profit. Okay. Next option is D company. D company earns in 2000, that is 55, and in 2001 it earns 50. So we have to add 55 plus 50 divided by 2. So we get the average percent profit. The last option is company B. B company earns in 2000, that is 50, and in 2001 it is 60. So 50 plus 60 divided by 2, we have get the average percent profit. So in this way we get the options. Thus, which of the companies earned maximum average percent profit in the year 2000 and 2001? So solution will be the in next slide. Okay. So here is the solution, that is company F. First option is company F, earned in 2060, and in 2001 it has earned 65. So we add 60 plus 65 and it is divided by 2 because we have to consider 2 years, 2000 and 2001. So we add these 2 years and if we calculate the average, so we have to divide it by 2. So that is equal to 125 divided by 2, which is equal to 62.5%. Company E earned in 2045 and it has earned in 2001, that is 55. So if we add these two numbers and it is divided by 2, we get the 50%. Then the company D earned in 2000, that is 55, and in 2001 it is earned 50. And if we add this 55 plus 50 and if it is divided by 2, we get the 52.5%. And company B earned in 2000, that is 50, and it has earned in 2001, that is 60. And if we add 50 plus 60 and it is divided by 2, we get the 110 divided by 2 and we get the 55%. So which of the maximum average percent profit? That is company F. So the right option is option A. Company F earned in the year 2000 and 2001 the maximum average percent profit. Okay, so in this way easily we can solve the line graph or the line chart of the data interpretation. Hope you understand this topic. Okay, thank you. Thank you. If you like my channel, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.